Jessica Frost-ballas here with a video for Hero Arts. Today I'm sharing how to use the gorgeous color layering Orca and combining it with a bit of ink blending for a fun ocean scene. So let's get started. I love this cute 3-step whale and I'll be stamping him in charcoal, intensified black, and contour ink. I've lined up the 3 stamps on my MISTI so that I can simply flip my card panel around to get all 3 layers. I stamp the largest layer a few times in charcoal until I get a good impression. Then I flip the panel and stamp the next layer in intensified black. Finally, I move the panel up and stamp the smallest layer using contour ink a few times. Stamping the contour ink repeatedly gives just enough color to the whale's belly so that it's visible without being distracting since Orca's bellies are white. I like to set my stamps up on my MISTI lid to make layered stamping easier, and this also makes it super quick if you need to make a lot of multiples. Next, I blend my background with rose madder, cotton candy, and soft vanilla ink. I don't bother covering the full panel because I know some of it will eventually be covered by my wave. Then I partially die cut the Surf's Up wave using Periwinkle cardstock. I don't let my machine cut all the way to the bottom of the wave so that I can create a larger wave that will cover my full panel. After I remove the die, I use scissors to cut the rest of the wave shape. I die cut the foam part of the waves from white cardstock, and then I blend Cornflower, Deep Ocean, and Navy ink onto the wave. I focus my ink on the bottom of the wave and the bottom of the crest. Next, I use liquid glue to adhere the white cardstock foam to the top and bottom of my wave. Then I adhere my finished wave to the ink-blended background. Off camera, I stamped a second whale and my sentiment from color layering Orca. I adhere my first whale and then adhere the front of my second whale to the bottom right of the card. I trim the excess off and then use the leftover to create the illusion of a third whale swimming off the left side of the card. Finally, I add my sentiment with foam mounting tape. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below or over on the Hero Arts blog. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to the Hero Arts channel for lots of crafty inspiration. Until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting! Bye!